The CAYNEL air fryer oven with rapid air technology is a versatile kitchen appliance that promises healthier cooking with little to no oil. The standout feature of this air fryer is its ability to circulate hot air rapidly, ensuring even and efficient cooking. With an average requirement of 80% less oil compared to conventional fryers, it's an excellent choice for those looking to create healthier versions of their favorite foods. The 30-minute cooking timer with auto shut-off provides convenience and peace of mind, preventing overcooking. The heating and power indicator lights, along with the variable temperature control ranging from 176 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, give users total control over their cooking preferences. The generous 5-quart capacity makes this air fryer suitable for various occasions, from catering to picky eaters and large families to entertaining guests or accommodating busy schedules. It allows for the quick preparation of appetizers, desserts, chicken wings, French fries, and even baked goods, all within minutes of setting the timer. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze, thanks to the non-stick fry basket and fry pot. These removable parts are dishwasher safe, making maintenance convenient and hassle-free. The cool touch handle and button guard enhance safety by preventing accidental detachment. The CAYNEL air fryer stands out not only for its cooking efficiency but also for its commitment to safety. With the ability to cook up to 2.5 pounds of food faster and more safely than traditional frying methods, it eliminates the risk of splatter burns and reduces electricity usage. The automatic power-off feature when the fry pot is removed adds an extra layer of safety to the overall user experience. In summary, the CAYNEL air fryer oven with rapid air technology is a reliable kitchen companion for those seeking a healthier way to enjoy their favorite dishes. Its user-friendly features, ample capacity, and easy cleaning make it a practical choice for a wide range of cooking needs.